What's good, YouTube? It's your boy NQ Marcus. Today we're gonna do a top-down analysis video. I'm gonna show you how I do my top-down analysis, how I view the market, and how I enter the market. All right. So first, we'll go to the daily time frame. We mark out the previous day's highs and the previous day's lows. Give me 1 second. As you can see, here it is. It's lows. Now we drop down to the 4-hour. As y'all can see, we have to go to 7 a.m. 7 a.m. There you go. All right, now we go down to 6:30 right here. All right, so now we know that we're on New York opening. All right, now what we do, we look for fair value gaps on the 4-hour. So as you can see, we have this bearish FVG right here. You clearly see we're inside of it. We also have let's see. Do you have a bullish FVG anywhere up here? Okay, we see one here. This is a bullish FVG right here, but it got disrespected. As you can see, this one ran through it, inversed it, retested it, went lower. So it respected it once again, came up, retested, went higher, but disrespected it once again. So we're gonna keep that there. As you can see, we tapped into it. So yeah, we're gonna keep that in mind. We're gonna keep this just so we can know, like, we could go short. All right. So what I'm gonna look for is a short, but to where will be my liquidity? What target or what FVG will I target while we drop so we can continue to the upside? So what I want is, let me see. Let me go here real quick. So you can see we have this 4-hour inverse that is just got tapped into, which is getting respected. We also have this 4-hour FVG that we're currently in, but we have this 1-hour imbalance. I don't know if I can see that. This 1-hour imbalance right here for buys, bullish 1-hour imbalance. We also have 4-hour, sorry, not 1 hour. We also have this bullish 4-hour FVG. Okay. So we have two indications that we're bullish. We have this 4-hour imbalance, bullish imbalance, and we also have this 4-hour bullish FVG. Now we drop out to the 1-hour. As you can see, we also have this 1-hour FVG, which is right there. Now we drag it across. This 1-hour FVG is inside this 4-hour FVG. So that's two confirmations that we're bullish. Okay, now what we do is look for where will we put our take profit if we were to go longs, right? So this would be a 1-hour inverse also. Okay. So this would be a 1-hour inverse. So clearly these FVGs are all telling you that once we tap into the zone, we should go shorter. So you wouldn't want to buy here. So if I were to buy here, I'll get stopped out instantly because we tapped it, we dropped. So what I want to do is catch a short and a buy. Why, you're asking? Because I want to catch the short-term bias, which is shorts, and my long-term bias will be this hourly 1-hour and 4-hour green FVG, bullish FVG, to go higher. So this is what we're going to do. we go down to the 15-minute to see how can we catch this short. All right, we're at this. We have a bullish FVG, as you can see right here. Right, this one. This is bullish FVG, but once we pull it across, you can see we tapped it, respected it, went up. Tapped it, disrespected it, retested it, went down. So now this is no longer a bull FVG. This is actually good. So now we know that we have an inverse FVG at 615. All right. So how do we enter this? What I would like to do is enter for shorts to run all the way down to this 1 hour, 4 hour FVG. Okay. So I'll go down to the 5-minute, find me an entry. So I see this 5-minute FVG right here. Right. So what I would like to do, I'll enter this FVG right here at 615 or 610, sorry. I'll see it, respect it. We tapped into it twice. What I'll do, enter sales. I'll enter with, let's see, 2 micros. There you go. Now my stops would be above this short-term high. So I'm risking, just in case we get manipulation and go lower, just to be safe. But if we were to close and retest, we're safe. So we're risking 200 to make, see, 200 to make 812. Okay, so we're going for what, a 1 to 4. I'm pretty sure this is 1 to 4. So we're going for a 1 to 4 risk to reward. We're risking 191 points. Is that 191 points or 47? I'm not sure, but a stop loss is definitely not big. If I could grab it. So yeah, this is how the trade would look. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna let this play out and see. So instantly we get 2 taps back to back. 1, 2, respect it. And that's the trade right there, right? So now what we see, we ran the liquidity. We tapped into this 4-hour bullish FEG and the 1-hour FEG, right? So now what I want is a change of delivery. We drop down to the 1 minute. As you can see, we have a bearish 1 minute FEG right here. So what I want to see is, I want this FEG to get inversed and then create another FEG, or to inverse, retest, and go up. So we're going to see right now. Okay, so now we have an inversion, which is this candle here. This 1 minute candle, disrespected it, closed above. And we also have that 1 minute FEG I was looking for, the bullish one. So now we have 2 indications that we have a reversal. This is also a V-shaped. I don't know exactly what it's called, but when we have like a V like this, it kind of indicates that we're at the very bottom of the move or of the market. So this is like a low basically. So yeah, we have a V-shaped indication, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't know what it's called, but this is something I look forward to. This is a low, the very low. We have this inverse 1 minute FEG, so this is no longer bearish. This is FEG bull, IFEG bull, and this is just a normal FEG. Okay, so we're gonna have that as a 1 minute FEG. Okay, so what I want is a retracement into these FEGs. Do we get one? I'm not sure. If we don't, I will not enter. Okay, as you can see, we tapped it to its peak. Literally, this wick tapped it to the very bottom of this 1 minute FEG. So what I'm gonna do now is take my buy. I'm gonna risk 3 micros this time. 3. All right, so stop loss will be under this wick right here, just to be safe. Right here, this wick right here, because I would put it here, but there's a chance we could retest again and get manipulated out. Or to be even more safe, I'll drop it down to this low, this very low. But for me, I'll put it here just because my thoughts is if we were to go like this, stop us out, retest, drop lower, we're already safe. We already prevented that reversal. So yeah, I'd rather risk 235 to chase. Let me see. Chase this IFEG up here, this 4-hour IFEG, this 1-hour IFEG. So it'll be right here, the very bottom of the IFEG. All right. So we drop down to the, go to the 5-minute. Drop down to the 5-minute. As you can see, we have that stop loss. Take profit, right? All right, let's go to the 1 minute because as we're in the 1 minute, all we want to see is confirmations that we're still going up, right? So we see this bear FEG right here, right? So what I want this next candle to just, or the next couple candles to disrespect it and make it inverse. So that's why I said it's good to leave your stop here just in case it retests and disrespects it. But we're gonna see right now. Okay, so we have a closure above. What I wanted to do is have a retest to go higher. But we also do have this 1 minute bull FEG right here. Okay. But let's just see. Okay, we retested it and we didn't close under. So that means this is now an inverse. So if you were to miss this move down here, you could enter it right here and put your stops under here. So now that we have this, we're gonna let this go. We're gonna see. Okay, now we closed. Closed above for sure. So now what we could do is move our stop loss to break even. So now we're risk free on the trade. If I can fucking, I don't know why it's not letting me move my, Jesus God, that is so hard. All right, so we break even now, risk free. Break even. We have another 1 minute FEG getting respected, as you can see right here. Bow. All right. So now what I want is to get past that. Okay, now what we could do is put our stop loss here. Okay. So either way, if it tries to reverse, we're safe. Why? Because we're under this 1 minute FEG, and if it was to inverse, then we already in profit, so it wouldn't matter to us. We also have another 1 minute FEG right here. So we could trail our stop even further up here. But first we wanted to retest, retrace, and then move it. But as of right now, it hasn't done none of that because it could disrespect it, run through it, make it an inverse, retest it, and then go lower. So we're just playing it safe, chat. As you can see, we ran through it and we inversed. Are we gonna retest, go lower? We do not know. Why? Because we're holding the FEG 1 minute right here. As you can see, it came down, retested it again. So what could happen is we could get closed into this manipulation or at this retracement, or we could just tap here and continue to the upside. So we're gonna see right now. So it's respecting this IFEG that it just created. All right, so this is an inverse for bears. But we're still holding value here, so we're not scared of this. Boom. Now we're back up. We closed above, retested it. So this fair value gap is respected. We never broke structure, so we're still bullish. We inverse this once again. So that's back to a bullish IFEG. First play. And slowly but surely we get in there. As you can see, we're respecting this FEG now. So what we're going to do, just to be safe, is to move it under this inverse bull gap, just in case it does reverse. Now, since we're this high, we have a new 1 minute FEG that we look forward to getting retraced. But if it was to inverse, we're safe. So yeah, that's all it is. It's just rinse and repeat. But eventually TP will get hit, which is like, there you go. Yeah, so that's my motto right there, chat. So hopefully you understood this. So this was what? I don't even know. A 1 to something. Jesus Christ. I think it's 280 points or 1,120 points. I'm not sure. But the trade lasted, we entered at 7:04 and we got out at 9:22. So that was about 2 hours and 2 minutes. So yeah, so we made about 1.6K from risking only about I'm not sure how much that was. But I'm pretty sure this trade we risked like 200 or 100 and this one was like 2 to 300. So yeah, this is my model, chat. Hopefully you guys learned something and understood how I view the market, how I enter the market and execute. But yeah, this is exactly how I'm gonna make my first 10K. And use my name, I pray all of us shine. Just keep grinding. Do not compare yourself to others. If these niggas getting thousands of dollars and you just feel like you're behind, bro, just start grinding, bro. Lock in. Their day 1,000 is nothing compared to your day one, bro. All right, so please stop trying to compare yourself. Because me, I've been trading for almost 3 years and we still grinding. So this is something that I'm going to stick with. This is my bread and butter, bro. I'm going to make 10K, I'm telling you. When I make that 10K, I'm going to tell you, I told y'all I made this video for a reason. So y'all niggas grab with me, we shine with me. Join that Discord link in the description. Follow my Instagram. And yeah, God bless y'all. Yeah.